Mayhem is coming.
Welcome to the 2023 Mountain Mayhem Donut Competition. Guys, it's going to be mayhem out here today. We got all kinds of machines lined up ready to rip some donuts. It's going to be a cool video. Now, with some of these, like this machine's Argo, for example, it's not a very loud machine, so I'm going to put some music over top of the video there, and I'll let the engines roar whenever they're roaring. But I appreciate all you guys watching the videos and stuff like that, man. Here's a challenge for you guys. Count and see how many donuts are ripped in this video. Comment down below how many you count. And man, enjoy the video. We had an awesome time watching it, and I snuck my GoPro out inside the arena there so I wouldn't get pelted with rocks. Now right here is a great example of how you can bring your kids out here and let them enjoy the events and the activities and stuff like that. This little kid out there ripping. We got a four-wheeler out here ripping. It isn't just side by sides at these events, guys.
I believe he likes donuts.
wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's